Hello everyone and welcome back to VoIP Knowledge. In this video I am going to show you how to configure mesh in Grandstream new router GWN7062E and GWN7062ET. So as you can see, I have Grandstream GWN7062E and matching GWN7062ET with this router. So I have just connected the power on GWN7062ET and we will start meshing from here. So click on add new router option, and here are the preparations: primary router, sub router, and the sub router must be factory reset or new. There should be no configuration in the sub router, and it only supports same brand router. So we have two modes for matching the router. The first mode is wired networking. In this mode, sub router should be connected to the primary router LAN port, and similarly there is another option, wireless networking mode. So in this mode, the sub router should be within the 1 meter range of main router. So in this video we are going to follow the wireless networking mode. Now click on the add option. Now the router will start scanning the available router for mesh connection, and it will search completely for the time period. Then we can select and add the router. So now the searching is completed and we have the option to add the router. Just select your router and click on the add button, and we have the option to sync. So just press and hold the sync button for few seconds and release the button. Then it will start pairing up. So now you can see the sub router is added successfully over here, and we can check the mesh router in the mesh router node option, and it will take some time to establish the connection. Once the connection is established, it will show the connectivity and will show the Wi-Fi signal, and we have to wait for few seconds while the connection is established between main router and the sub router. So now the connection is established, and you can see the IP address received on this router from the main router. That means the connection is done, and we can place this wireless router on a distance from the main router, and then you can use it as a mesh repeater, and the LED status will be solid blue. And now let me connect a client on the sub router, and similarly we can see the mesh connection. So here it is showing connection and it is connected. Similarly we can restart the mesh router, and we can change the name of the device from here, and we can also set LED indicator control. It has multiple options. And now we check the Wi-Fi client connectivity on the sub router. So you can see here one client is connected to this router, and if I click on this, we can see the client MAC address, IP address, and the connection time.